Just last year, a team of doctors and specialists have helped over 43,000 type 2 diabetics gain control of their blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity, and allowed many of them to be taken off prescription drugs and stop blood sugar monitoring. This year, they are on track to help over 100,000 diabetics achieve the impossible. This breakthrough, you can discover by clicking the link in the description, is twice as effective as the leading diabetes drug at normalizing blood sugar levels. Studies also show how patients are able to fix insulin resistance, reduce neuropathy pain, prevent blindness, amputations, and other diabetes problems. These techniques have been used successfully by thousands of people in over 40 countries, allowing them to lower their need for drugs and injections. By living with diabetes and by taking your prescribed medication, you are under constant daily threat of dying of a heart attack, stroke, kidney failure, succumbing to blindness, amputations, hypertension, high cholesterol, depression, and falling into a coma. Those are just the side effects of living with diabetes. Now let's add in the side effects from the drugs that are supposed to help you. Hepatitis, liver problems, acidosis leading to death within hours, heart attack, stroke, increased risk of cancer, weakened immune system, vomiting, nausea, diarrhea, heart failure, and too many others. If you think it'll ever get better, it won't. It has been scientifically proven that simply treating diabetes with conventional methods does not stop the disease. Over time, diabetics are prescribed higher and higher dosages of drugs, and then when those fail, they get prescribed insulin injections on top of the drugs. It doesn't matter if you follow your doctor's recommendations and dosages exactly as prescribed. This isn't a question of if, but when. Your health will get worse. The drugs you take will fail, the insulin injections you take will also fail. If you have diabetes, you simply cannot continue on this way. Sooner rather than later, you will die, either from diabetes or its complications, or side effects from the drugs you take. And it won't be quietly in your sleep either. Getting rushed to the hospital while paramedics break all your ribs giving you CPR will be hell on earth. Spending your last moments with tubes and pumps and ventilators in unbearable agony, you will wish you did something sooner. No more needles, no more expensive and dangerous diabetes medications, no more finger pricking or test strips, no more trips to the doctor for disappointing test after disappointing test, no more frustration and embarrassment. If this information can help yourself, your kids, your relatives, family, and friends, share it with them. Diabetes doesn't have to be a life sentence. Most doctors only talk about diabetes treatment, diabetes management, and diabetic control using drugs, pills, injections, and surgery, when powerful, quick, and easy drug-free treatment methods exist. Diabetes drugs are extremely dangerous. Not only are diabetes drugs ineffective at attacking the root cause of your diabetes, they are extremely dangerous too. Over 100,000 people die every year from drugs properly prescribed by their doctor. Not only could your diabetes kill you, but the drugs you're taking could kill you any day too. Diabetes drugs artificially adjust your blood sugar. They don't do anything to address the root cause of your disease. They are only made to treat and manage, so you still live with the constant daily threat of heart attack, stroke, kidney failure, limb amputations, dementia, hypertension, nervous system disease, high cholesterol, depression, coma, and blindness. Do you really want to continue down this path? It is quite obvious that drugs and injections aren't helping eliminate diabetes. How long have diabetics been taking prescription drugs and injecting insulin? It has been decades since treatments came out, and yet the rates of diabetes aren't decreasing, they're actually growing. Isn't it time to try something else? Something that's been scientifically proven to work better, faster, and is cheaper and safer than prescription drugs? These methods attack the root cause of diabetes. You can take your health back into your own hands. You can free yourself from the shackles of constant blood sugar readings, daily drug regimens, and even prevent the horrible health complications that await diabetics down the road. Ignore the link in the description to go back to the same old routine of taking prescription drugs, injections, and trying weird diets, none of which have worked for you or the hundreds of millions of diabetics around the world. Or, go check out this revolutionary, scientifically proven, and satisfaction guaranteed 7 steps to health method that will get your health back on track. The choice is up to you. Thanks for watching today's Bye Bye Weight Online video. Have a nice day.